also told you that the greatest thief you've never seen doesn't wear a mask, doesn't carry a weapon, and might already be knocking on your digital phone.
Congratulations! You are our lucky winner of 20,000 pesos. To claim your prize, please verify your Facebook account by entering your email and password.
Wow, ang swerte ko naman. Wala namang mawawala kung ilalagay ko lang ang account ko. Hala, ba't hindi ko na ma-open yung account ko?
Uy, grabe, ang init. Uy, wait nga. Uy, si Subia pala nag-chat sa akin. Tignan nyo.
Uy, same. Ganyan na ganyan yung
Talaga
chat niya
ba?
sa akin.
Batingin nga. Hala, bakit kaya?
Tingin nga, ulit. Uy, hindi ganyan typing si Subia.
Oo nga, diba? Wait nga. Hello?
Hello? Bakit?
Be, ikaw ba to? Humihiram ka ng pera eh.
Hindi ko ma-open yung account ko.
Talaga ba?
Bakit ba?
Hala, nakaka na ata. Kasi be, pare-parehas yung chat mo sa aming tatlo. So, every message we send, every photo we upload, every password we create becomes a part of a digital version of ourselves. It's convenient, powerful, but it's also vulnerable.
So kids,